A battle over borders in a campaign for a state legislature. Activist William Calloway says he has enough signatures to get on the ballot, but says those objecting to him don't have the legal standing to do so. ABC 7 political reporter Craig Wall is here now to explain. Craig.
Judy, the process of challenging someone's petitions is perfectly legal, but it also presents plenty of opportunity for political shenanigans. And in the race to replace retiring State Representative Barbara Flynn Curry, that's what's being alleged by one of the candidates.
If you don't have legal grounds to examine or search my petitions, I'm not about to let you.
Community activist William Calloway is one of 9 candidates vying for the state representative seat in the 25th district on Chicago's southeast side. He went before the Chicago Board of Election Commissioners to fight back against 2 women who've challenged his signatures in an attempt to get him kicked off the ballot. Sable Collins lists this apartment on East 74th Street as her home address, but her mail is building up in the mailbox, and Calloway claims she's not there anymore. The law requires that people who file objections must live in that district where they're challenging a candidate.
I have testimony from her landlord and property manager saying that they have not seen or spoken with Ms. Collins in the past several months, that they have not received any rent from her, and that they also have filed an eviction against her as well.
Collins called me later and said she does live at that apartment. She admitted her cousin is one of the candidates running against Calloway, but claimed she filed the petitions on her own behalf. Another person challenging Calloway, Angeline Tony, lives here on East 68th. Calloway is fighting her objections on the grounds that the Board of Elections website indicates she lives in the 26th district. Tony admitted she is working on behalf of another candidate. What candidate are you representing?
I'm not going to tell you that.
Well, why not? What do you have to hide? The commissioners denied Calloway's request to have Collins subpoenaed to prove where she lives, leaving him frustrated.
I like to believe in our democratic process here, but as we know, Chicago politics is a very, very unique place, I'll say that.
Well put. Calloway said he collected 1,200 signatures and only needs 500 to get on the ballot. He seemed confident that he would prevail in the end and have enough valid signatures to stay in the race. By the way, Calloway himself has filed objections to 4 of the people who are running against him. Just part of the political process.
Right. A long one. Yeah.
Yep.